Have you ever had one of those mornings where nothing goes right? For me, it was the morning of my big presentation. Picture this. The sun barely peeked through my window and my alarm was blaring, signaling the start of a day that seemed destined for disaster. In a hurry, I dashed into the bathroom, grabbed the toothpaste and squeezed. Oh, did I squeeze? The tube exploded like a volcano, sending a cascade of minty freshness all over the mirror. I stood there aghast, a toothbrush in one hand and an empty tube in the other, my reflection obscured by a layer of white spearmint paste. It was then that I realized the irony of it all. Here I was, trying to start my day right, and I couldn't even manage a simple task like brushing my teeth without making a mess. That day I learned two important lessons. 1, don't rush your morning routine. 2, proper teeth cleaning takes time and care. Now, I'm no dental expert, but I've learned a thing or two from those who are. Let's start with brushing. You've likely heard this before, but it bears repeating. Brush for at least 2 minutes, twice a day. That's right, 4 minutes of brushing in total each day. But it's not just about hitting those numbers, it's also about how you do it. You want to make sure you're covering all areas of your mouth and not just focusing on the front teeth that greet the world. Now, on to technique. Don't attack your teeth like you're scrubbing a stained pot. It's a gentle process. Hold your toothbrush at a 45-degree angle to your gums and use short, tooth-wide strokes. You're not just brushing your teeth, you're massaging your gums too. Remember to brush the outer, inner, and chewing surfaces of your teeth, and don't forget your tongue. It can harbor bacteria that lead to bad breath. Next up, flossing. If you're not already doing it, start today. Flossing isn't just for dislodging the remnants of your lunch, it's about getting to the places your toothbrush can't reach. Slide the floss between your teeth, following the curve of each tooth to avoid damaging your gums. And let's not forget about mouthwash. It's not just a breath freshener. A good mouthwash can help kill bacteria, strengthen your teeth, and help protect against cavities. Use it after brushing and flossing for a complete clean. And here's a pro tip. Don't rinse your mouth with water immediately after brushing. You want to let that toothpaste continue working its magic for a bit longer. All these steps might seem like a lot, but trust me, they're worth it. Good oral hygiene isn't just about maintaining a beautiful smile. It's about overall health. Problems in your mouth can lead to issues in other parts of your body. So remember, slow and steady wins the race when it comes to cleaning your teeth. You might think you've got this teeth cleaning business down, but you'd be surprised at the common mistakes people make. First, let's talk about brushing too hard. This can lead to gum recession and tooth sensitivity. Instead, use a soft bristle toothbrush and apply gentle pressure. Next, not replacing your toothbrush often enough. Your toothbrush is a breeding ground for bacteria, and its bristles can become frayed and less effective over time. Dentists recommend replacing your toothbrush every 3 to 4 months. Lastly, neglecting to clean the tongue. Your tongue is just as important as your teeth in maintaining oral hygiene, harboring bacteria that can lead to bad breath and other oral health issues. Use a tongue scraper or your toothbrush to gently clean your tongue every time you brush your teeth. Avoid these mistakes and you're well on your way to a healthier, brighter smile. Now that you've got the basics down, you're probably wondering, what's next? Well, we're not stopping at just brushing techniques. In our upcoming video, we're going to venture into the vast universe of dental products. Yes, you heard it right. From the humble toothpaste and the indispensable toothbrush to the often overlooked floss and the refreshing mouthwash. We'll unravel the science behind these products, demystifying the ingredients you see on the labels. We'll discuss what makes a toothpaste effective, how to choose a toothbrush that's right for you, why flossing could be the missing piece in your oral hygiene routine, and how mouthwash can give that final touch to your clean mouth. We're here to guide you in making informed decisions about the tools you use for maintaining your dental health. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll help you navigate the wide world of dental products. Until then, happy brushing.